The image detail example that I'm going to be using for the screencast is for the image that I'll ultimately be using for my irregular galaxy page. I found this image on the NASA website, which is a great public media library that's copyright free. I downloaded it and I'm opening up in Adobe Photoshop. I'm using Adobe Photoshop as my image editing program because I have an Adobe Creative Suite account. I'm going to be needing to crop this image to the 200 by 200 pixel ratio requirement or size requirement for the assignment. This image in particular has aspects of the galaxies that are outside of this main nebulous here, so maybe I just want to include this nebulous here because it has a focal point and some good contrast on the side. Use this crop tool. Make sure the ratio is at 1:1. I can set the selection here, maybe a little off center. The focal point will be off center and it has a little bit of contrast here. I'll make my selection and ensure the size is the 200 by 200 pixel requirement that we need. And this is the image that I'll be using for my website.